2 weeks ago, I was with Elisabeth Moss at South by Southwest for the US premiere.
Can't believe how big they've got.
There's a family in our driveway.
Which looks really scary.
They won't stop until they kill us.
And I can't wait to see it, and it's gonna be so good. It was the hottest ticket in town. Tommy and I, who was there with me, who did the hair, we couldn't get a ticket that night because everybody wanted to go, so we just like messed around all week. But now I'm gonna create the look so that you can do it at home, and this is what it looked like, and we're gonna go through it, and you're gonna love it, and it's gonna be great. So just follow along as we create the look for the red carpet of Elisabeth Moss at the US premiere, South by Southwest. So the first thing we did is we put a little bit of Lorac's behind the scenes eye primer on the lids. I used a brush on her, but I'm using my fingers on me because they're mine and nobody cares. So next we wanted to keep it super light and super chill, so we used Pillowtalk from Charlotte Tilbury. Look at that, look at the ring light. It's not doing much for me today, but what can you do? This really pretty, just pale pink color, and placed it all over the lid. And then blended it into the crease, like so. And that was like really it for the eye. Isn't that crazy? We just kept it super simple. And actually we were gonna go back in and do black in the lines, but then as the day progressed, we just decided not to. I did fill her brows in with a little Infinity Waterproof eyebrow pencil from Thrive. Very natural, keeping it all intact. Next, we curled the lashes in a major way. Now, I did not put any eyeliner on her that day, but I kind of want to put eyeliner on me. This is the Troy Surratt. Okay, so a little definition ain't hurt nobody. Hourglass mascara. Yes. Yes. And then a little on the bottom lashes. A little definition. Okay, now we're gonna take Cover FX gripping primer. So now we just take a little of the gripping and we actually press it into the skin. So we had a full day of press. So we wanted her makeup to last. The NARS, this NARS foundation, the Stromboli Sheer Glow, which I thought is so pretty. Okay. So it's very sheer, but it builds really nicely. So if you want it to be like a very chill, like barely there skin, you can do that. When you look really sick in the video, people love it. And I'm just bringing it down. And the brush that I'm using is the Heavenly Skin CC Plus. Okay. So there's one little area that needs a little bit more love. Boing from Benefit. We're gonna do a little under eye stitch like this. Just a little dab, dab, dab. And dab that little zit, zit. Okay, don't worry, we're getting there. We're almost there, we're almost there. Cover FX powder. Kind of just set everything. Candy Glow. This is from Too Faced, and they gave that really pretty glow. Got them real pretty on, huh? So pretty. Tom Ford bronzer, which I don't even know what it's called because it doesn't have a name. And we did a little of this. Crushing it. The lips are really scary. Sorry guys, it's gonna look so good. Butter blush from Physicians Formula. I went on top of the wet with it. It works well with wet, just FYI. And it smells like coconut. Don't eat it. And I did that, and I got there, and then I just blend the edges so you don't look insane. On the lips, I used Jouer's Longwear Lip Cream Liner in Petal. So you can go as big or as small as you want. It's totally up to you. Okay. And then we went to the NARS palette. So I used Stefania. How it is, like super purple based pink. How pretty is that? And then to neutralize it a teeny bit, I went with Vera. So just to take down a little of the electricity in that, I mixed in Vera. And then, like a good girl always does, I took those two same colors, smiled, and put them on my cheeks to tie it all in. I love a layer. Now listen, my skin eats everything, so I love to layer blush texture, blush color, kind of just ties everything together. And there we done did had it. We done did had it. This was Elisabeth Moss's look for Us premiere at South by Southwest. I hope you enjoyed it. She looked really cute. I'm a little tired today, but we made it happen. You guys subscribe, tell a friend, follow me on jamiemakeup.com. Be part of my crew. Do it now. Tell a friend. Tell your grandma. Tell everyone. Bye.